hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm gonna be preparing lunch and I'm gonna show you what I have for preparing carrots, onion, and aubergine or eggplant. And I'm just gonna cook this in the oven, but I'm gonna break it down and I'm gonna show you what I get up to. So with breaking down this, I am going to be putting the scraps bit in. Keep the scrap bits for making vegetable broth for soup. So I'm just cutting. So I'm using carrots here. I need to change this knife. And you don't need to worry about how they look. Just cut them in bite-sized, manageable size. I think this is a quick and easy recipe, you know. Cut them in chunky bits. We want this to cook nicely. Well, it is going to cook nicely because it's going to be in the oven. My knife is dull. What kind of kitchen is this with a dull knife? So as you can see from my video so far, I'm mostly eating vegetables and seafood, and it's just changing up my diet to see what's going on. In addition to that, you know, I miss eating that. Most people, when in the past when I had clients, everybody wants chicken and I would offer like oxtail or a vegetable menu, but you know, they know what they want and they want what they want. So being that my business is on a bit of pause, I can focus solely on eating, let's say, plant-based, somewhat flexible menu cooking at home for myself. So yeah, let's see. Handy, hey! And of course I'm gonna leave the recipe in the box so you can try it and tell me what you think. I'm going in with half of an onion. This knife. better. So much better, eh? No, this is what we're talking about. Onion, garlic, of course. So I love this eggplant. The other day I made, yesterday I made curry eggplant and it was so good. So this knife is so much better. Can you feel it? Then again, with this you don't have to worry about how it's cut, because it's gonna be cooked down as it's in the oven. It's gonna break down. Can I get the oil, please? And salt, yeah? Nice. And paprika? And cumin? This looks so good. Oh, nice. Or veggie, let's say veggie pot. I'm gonna put it in the oven. I'm gonna put it in the oven. We go and let this stay for 1 hour. The big reveal. This smells so amazing. Oh, look at all this goodness here. Oh, Dios mío. Smells so good. Yes, I want to walk. We're gonna walk? I like the sound of that. Hey, friend. Hey, friend. Entering the city. City Black Panther. It's a beautiful day. How was your day today? Huh? Nice. So I'm getting my... Can you press the green man? Yes. Orale. Yes, open. No. Okay. Let's see what happens. Because, did you select indoor or outdoor? Because I changed the settings here. So I finished my day. I'm going to go shopping. Something I don't do very often unless it's a necessity. It's a necessity, and so I'm walking to a store to get trousers, and so I used to wear, I've put on a lot of weight, so the pants I had in the closet, they can't fit me. I moved from a size 0 to a size 7, size 7 to a size 10, and so I have to get rid of all my pants, and so I'm gonna get them replaced. So we left when it was bright to get trousers, and most of the trousers in the store, they're like, what do you call it? Slim fit, pointy. But eventually I found a pants trouser that I like, and I got it. And on the way back, we discovered a pizza joint that we've always wanted to visit, and we're gonna be visiting tomorrow. And I was told to not forget, and I was like, oh, I will never forget, because I am not. Why will I not forget? Because I'm not paying. So we are headed back. I got what I wanted. It was a little... Look at that. He wanna run over us. Wait, do we go? These people... Oh, really? Damn. Oh, wow. So we're gonna be here for a while, eh? No, it's coming fast. After this weird road.